Sunken cities are remnants of ancient civilizations, submerged due to natural disasters, rising sea levels, or geological events. These underwater archaeological sites provide a fascinating glimpse into the past and reveal how people lived, worked, and interacted with their environment. One of the most famous sunken cities is Heraklion, Thonis, an ancient Egyptian city located near the Canopic branch of the Nile River. Heraklion was a major trading port and religious center, known for its grand temples, bustling markets, and strategic location. The city sank into the Mediterranean Sea around the 8th century CE, likely due to a combination of earthquakes, soil liquefaction, and gradual subsidence. Rediscovered in 2000 by French underwater archaeologist Franck Goddio, Heraklion has yielded a wealth of artifacts, including statues, inscriptions, coins, and ceramics. These findings offer insights into the city's layout, economy, and religious practices. Another notable example is the city of Dwarka in India, believed to be the legendary capital of Lord Krishna. Underwater explorations off the coast of Gujarat have revealed submerged structures, pottery, and remnants of walls, suggesting the presence of an ancient settlement. The discovery has sparked interest in India's maritime history and the potential connections between mythology and historical events. Sunken cities are not only limited to ancient times. Modern examples, such as the village of Xicheng, Lion City, in China, were intentionally flooded to create reservoirs and hydroelectric projects. These submerged sites have become popular diving destinations, offering a unique blend of history and adventure. The study of sunken cities involves a multidisciplinary approach, combining archaeology, geology, oceanography, and advanced technologies like sonar mapping and underwater robotics. These efforts help us understand the factors that led to the submergence of these cities and the resilience of human societies in the face of environmental challenges.